By the end of this vlog, I should have my nails done, my hair done, and my lashes done. It's currently Friday the 26th of April and I am flying out on the 29th of April. And look at me. Anyway, I have had to cancel my plans for tomorrow because honestly, I'm gonna let you guys into a little bit of me, but this is really embarrassing. I don't take pride in showing this, but this has been the result of, what day is it today? Friday. My auntie was staying in my room, so this is 2 days worth of stuff ordered, bought. Much is going on. This is currently what the floor in my room looks like. Now, does that look like normal behavior? Does that look like Carissa? Does this look like this is Carissa's behavior? It doesn't, and I can tell you for free that it is not. And a lot is going on, a lot is happening with work. I fully understand and get why people take time off of work before they're going on holiday, because this is a lot. My hair appointment is at 1 p.m. I'll show you guys what I'm supposed to be doing today. So I'm trusting an auntie to do these cornrows for me. I'm trusting an auntie to do the Alicia Keys cornrows. But do you know what it is, right? I don't know when we became scared of aunties doing these things, because the Alicia Keys braids are not new to them. They're true to them. Like, they know all about the zigzags, all about the swirly, all about the lump. So I don't know why I'm scared actually. I have faith in her. It's only one auntie that did me dirty. I was like, yeah, I can do cornrows, and she couldn't do cornrows. And I don't know why she didn't just say that she couldn't do it. But this auntie, I trust her, and she wouldn't lie, and she wouldn't leave me in a bad way anyway, so it's okay. My nail appointment is at 5 p.m. For my nails, let's go to my nail tech. Look, I know that I stress my nail tech out because I send her like multiple things. These are all like different vibes. Yeah, these are all completely different vibes. I'm gonna make her bring it together into one. I'm going back to Square, so I've been doing what is this, stiletto for quite a while, but I'm going back to Square. I'm going back to my roots, going back to my young girl vibe. Let's get into this maintenance vlog. See you guys. Thank you. I'm so silly. I booked you know Victor Thompson, yeah, the worship night, oh yeah today. I literally forgot. That's how I was stop, please. No. Ow. Okay, so in the meantime, what? Okay. Morning guys, I hope you are all doing well. So welcome to day 2 of the maintenance vlog. No, do I like it? Do I not? I'm not really sure. Like, I didn't know my hair was flared at the back like that. You know, there's some girls that have perfectly rounded heads, and unfortunately I'm not one of them. I just have a small head. I just have a small head. My head is just small. So yeah, but auntie did a really, really good job. And for £30, I'm not mad at it. Like, this is really cute. In the beginning, guys, I feel like aunties are definitely able to do what we like, these styles, because they were the ones that we were going to before. You just have to let them know, and we need to kind of, well, not we, I was initially scared to like tell aunties, oh, it's too big. I didn't want to criticize their work, so I just kind of let them do whatever. But this time, when she did the first 2 braids, I took out my camera and I just said, let me look, because if I'm unhappy with it, it's me that has to wear it on my head, not her. So yeah, and then I just told her, auntie, it's a bit too big, like the picture is really, really small, so can you do it smaller? And she did it smaller and neatly. So yeah, love that for me. I think in the sun, like when my lashes are done, when everything is done, then I'll be able to see the full look and really like vibe with it and like it. We ran out of beads. I'm not sure if I told you that yesterday. We ran out of beads, so today's job is getting beads. Okay, let me run you through today's itinerary. It is currently today the 27th. 9:43. Okay, I need to get a move on. Okay, so basically this morning I am going to clean my room because I'm really unhappy with the way that is, and I feel like I'll only really be able to function at my highest level if my room is clean. And then I need to sort out the clothes I'm taking, try a few bits that I bought on, see what I can wear them with, see how I can package them. If I don't really like them, I'm going to take it with me to return, exchange, all of that type of stuff. And then when I go out, I need to pick up some packages that I ordered. I need to buy a toiletry bag, toothbrush, deodorant, and some hair removal cream, because I'm not able to get a wax, unfortunately. Because my period came. How nice. Let's get into cleaning my room.
For the more word you know, the more error you will discern.
I'm just going to quickly try on some bits that I got from my holiday from H&M, and then I will kind of start my journey. My sister's waiting on a package which is coming in between 11 and 12, so I'll definitely be finished with everything that I need to do at home by then. So then once the package comes, I'll just leave straight away and then start the day outside. I don't really want to be outside longer than 3 hours. I want to be in and out of everywhere. I can't lie, I'm starting to love my hair. My nails are really, really sharp. I'm not sure how I feel about going back to square. I'm really not sure. My nail taken at 8 though. Like, this is a set, but it literally looks like I have 5 different sets on like each hand, which is kind of the vibe. It's giving very much holiday. When I come back from holiday, I'm not sure how I'm gonna cope with work. That reminds me, I need to put cuticle oil on my cuticles, so let me do that now actually. Why? When? Imagine if it's not that funny.
You probably won't find it funny, but as a guy, this is hilarious.
Mine doesn't work.
It's not a brand. I've never bought it. Do that. I want this boy to know he's funny. Proper long.
Guys, I just got home. I am currently packing my bag. I got this bag from Primark for £8. So the top half I've been able to fit all my makeup, the bottom half I fit in all my setting sprays. I'm just gonna fit like my toiletry stuff in it. I'm just filling these bottles. I got them from Primark as well. I'm gonna fill it up with lotion, body wash. I'm thinking, do I even need to do that? Because the stuff that I bought today, travel size deodorant, mouthwash. Can't forget this. I bought this today, guys. Maybelline pressed powder. That needs to go in there. I'm gonna put my hair gel in this small container. I think I can manage that for the week, especially because my hair is new and I don't have much edges. I think that's perfectly fine. Sure. Here. It's fine. Enough. What the heck? I don't even use that on a normal day. What the heck? That's a lot. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to time lapse. I only have 30 minutes left on my this SD card. I need a package to come tomorrow so that I can upload my room renovation vlog onto my laptop so that I have enough space to vlog the next 5 days. And it's crazy because 2 hours is 1 day. So imagine me trying to vlog 5 days. I have no clue how people do it. So we're gonna see how that goes. But anyways, the lashes that the clusters that I am lashing with are from Amazon. Shout out to Irene Grace. She put me on these. The link will be in the description for them. But yeah, I'm just gonna use them. Yeah, I'll start at the end and go inwards. For glue, I am using Hair Shop Bond Glue. No one can ever tell me anything about it, to be honest. I'll be really honest with you. See you soon. I'm gonna start double stacking them just because I can't really see the vision, so maybe I need to double stack them as I go along to be able to see the vision. And then I'll come back when I do this eye, just because I need to like see how I want it to look, and I don't think I have enough time to do that. I'm gonna be moving really slowly, so I'll see you guys when this eye is done. Bye. I'm not sure if I like it. I think it's the lighting that is not conducive to what I'm trying to do. It's pretty yellow.
We're here for you.
Trust the process. Let's keep going and see what it says. Woo! That is scary. Bye. I don't know who came in here feeling pain. I don't know who came in here feeling sick. I don't know who came in here feeling depressed. All I want is for it to be equal. This eye is a little more irritated, hence why it's a little more closed at the moment than this eye, which is more open. But I just want them to be somewhat equal, which I think they are. I've put on my bonnet so I look a bit scary, but this is where I'm gonna end the vlog, guys, the maintenance vlog. I'm so happy that you guys could come along with me. I hope to get this out before I actually go on holiday, but if not, then what to do, what can I do? That was literally the most stressful thing that I've ever experienced in my life, like, girl. And my eczema on my hand, I can feel the stress causing it to get worse. But eczema is so temperamental, and I've had this, like, it went away, then it came back, and I've had it for quite a while now. But yeah, Anyway, y'all, I hope you have a good evening. I hope you have a good rest of week whenever you're watching this, and I do hope that you enjoyed the vlog, girls. I tried my best to give you something different. So